Hi everyone! In this video, I'm showing you how to make the very best pistachio ice cream you ever had. Promise. For this recipe, we're gonna need sweetened condensed milk, and I'm gonna show you an easy way to make it at home. In my double bottom pot, I have 120 milliliters of full fat milk, and to that I'm adding 80 grams of xylitol. Mix the xylitol in and heat the milk on a low flame until it starts to simmer. Keep stirring constantly to avoid it from sticking to the pot. You might need to remove it from the heat occasionally. After cooking it like this for 10 minutes, cut the heat and you'll have sweetened, sugar-free condensed milk. It'll thicken as it cools down to room temperature. Whip 150 milliliters of very cold whipping cream on a low speed for just a minute. Then add 150 milliliters of full-fat cold milk and mix for another minute. Add a tiny amount of salt and 20 milliliters of the very best vanilla spiced rum you have. The rum helps to keep the ice cream smooth and creamy, but it's entirely optional, so skip it if you don't want any alcohol in your ice cream. After mixing on a low speed for a few seconds, add the condensed milk you made. Mix it in, also on a low speed. And then add the star ingredient of this recipe, a whopping 200 grams of pure pistachio paste. And yeah, I know what you're thinking, this isn't a budget-friendly recipe at all. But dessert is a luxury, isn't it? So why not take it over the top? Use the mixer to incorporate the pistachio paste and then switch to a whisk. This way you'll have more control and you'll notice when the mixture becomes homogeneous. Pour this beautiful, precious mixture into your ice cream machine and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Mine needs about 40 minutes for this recipe. When you take it out, it'll have this consistency. While the ice cream spins, freeze a casserole. Level the sugar-free pistachio ice cream with a spatula and then freeze it for 8 hours. Before you scoop it out, let it sit at room temperature for 10 minutes to soften up a bit. Serve it in a cup or in a cone, decorate it with some chopped pistachios, and enjoy it. Until next time, Dessertophile.